Hey, what's up everybody? Brandon here, Midnight Custom C20. And today we're going to do an unboxing of Mictuning's RGB Rocklights. Now, you can put these on your Jeep, your side-by-side, your pickup. You can put them on your radio flyer. You just need a 12-volt power source. Not a big deal. Lawnmower battery, best friend if you want to put them on your radio flyer or your kid's big wheel. So, we can get this thing open. There we go. Really nice packaging. Here are your color choices, and then you can change your hue. It's got an app you can use to control it. But this is not the slick part, folks. I want to show you the slick part. Because are you not good at wiring? Never done wiring before? It's not your best friend? Because I'm terrible at wiring. I'll show you here. So, you got your Mictuning app instructions. You've got your, whatever that is, user manual. Sorry, it's taped together. And there's no shortage of stickers. These are actually really cool stickers. So, set all, that one is pretty fancy. Set all this aside. So now you've got certificate of inspection. You've got 8 LED rock lights. Okay. These things, I'll show you. They got all their spaghetti noodles for wiring back here. But here is the slick part about the wiring. They are capped. Got a protective cap on there. These also come in good if you don't use all these. They're plug and play, 3-prong. So what you do is line up your prongs, put them together, screw that on just finger tight. You got a waterproof connection. So there's your lights. Here is your power source. It comes with your own on-off switch already wired in. And here's your power distribution block that also has your quick connects. Got a built-in inline fuse. And it doesn't say. Oh, it's a 5 amp blade style. Holy crap, this thing's in there. Well, we're not going to mess with that. It's a 5 amp fuse, large blade style. Here is for your positive on your battery, negative on your battery. So you got everything already put together for ease of installation. You have your double-sided stickies for mounting. You can use those, or these lights have tabs to run screws or bolts through. And then what you have here is 4 sets of these, so you can run it coming from your battery down your passenger side, run the wires across the back side of your vehicle, up the driver's side, and back over, or you can do it the other way around, but you make a full loop around the vehicle. And you get 4 of these. Also, you get in here your mounting hardware, and it comes with a little Allen key. This is a complete self-contained kit, all in one box from Mictuning. Very well thought out. Very well put together. Coming up in a later video, we're actually going to do the installation of this kit, and I hope you're ready for this. It's not a Jeep. It's not a side-by-side. It's not a truck. This is going on Woodstock. A 2003 Honda Element. And it is going to be freaking exciting. So, that's what you get from Mictuning in a box. Everything you need. Thanks for watching, folks. Join us next time.